Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of a platform that's changing the way traders approach the markets in 2025, Option Alpha. In this review, I'll cover an extended overview of what Option Alpha is all about, walk you through its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and I'll also give you my balanced conclusion on why I think this is the best automated trading platform in 2025. Let's get started. At its core, Option Alpha is an automated options trading platform, but it's more than just a tool to place trades. Think of it as an entire ecosystem built to empower traders to design, test, and run trading strategies without needing to stare at screens all day or rely on gut feelings. What really makes Option Alpha stand out is its mission to democratize trading automation. In the past, only large institutions or hedge funds had the kind of resources to build complex algorithms that could trade automatically. Option Alpha flips that dynamic by creating a no-code platform where everyday traders, even beginners, can design bots that scan for opportunities, place trades, manage risk, and exit positions, all without you needing to know how to program. Now let's dive into some of the main features that make Option Alpha so powerful. I talked about the bots and animation. No-code bots and animation. It's the heart of Option Alpha. You don't need to know a single line of programming. The bots work through simple drag and drop rules, so you can create strategies for entry, monitoring, adjustments, and exits. And once set, they run exactly how you want with full precision. Real-time monitoring. These bots scan and evaluate your positions every minute. They never get tired, they never get distracted, and never second guess themselves. This means you're always in the market at the right time, with trades being managed around the clock. Backtesting engine. One of the most valuable features is backtesting engine. Before you risk your money, you can test your strategies against historical market data. This lets you see how a strategy would have performed in the past, helping you filter out bad ideas and refine the good ones. Payoff diagrams and visual analytics. Every trade idea you run through the platform comes with visual graphs showing your maximum profits, maximum loss, probabilities of success, and expected value. It's incredibly useful to actually see what the risk or reward looks like before you hit confirm. Strategy templates and tagging. If you don't want to build everything from scratch, Option Alpha comes with pre-built bot templates. These templates are organized and filterable. For example, you can choose bots focused on hedging, on momentum, volatility, or specific trade structures. Community and learning resources. Option Alpha has a built-in community where traders share templates, exchange insights, and collaborate. On top of that, you have free video courses ranging from beginner to advanced, podcast, and the famous Option Alpha Handbook, which is an encyclopedia for trading that removes guesswork and subjectivity. All of this creates an ecosystem where you don't just execute trades, you learn, you test, you automate, and you grow as a trader. Now, what is the pricing like? Option Alpha runs on a subscription model. There's a Pro plan, a Trader promo, and a Trade Station promo. Now, the Pro plan is the best you can get at $99 per month if you do the annual plan, or if you want to pay monthly, it's going to be $149. But because Option Alpha has partnerships in place, for example, with Trader, they have a partnership, and you can get Option Alpha for free when you connect your Trader account, $0 per month, with a qualifying account, a qualifying Trader account. And also, they partnered with TradeStation. You can get Option Alpha for free at $0 per month as well with a qualifying TradeStation account. So the partnership is great for those who already run these platforms. And of course, there's generally a 30-day free trial. No credit card required. You can cancel at any time, full feature access. Just put in your details and start the free trial. What are the pros and cons of using Option Alpha? We start with the pros. Completely no-code automation is accessible even to beginners. Powerful backtesting engine to validate strategies before using real money. A large and supportive community, and the broker partnerships make the Pro plan essentially free for some traders. How about the cons? It can be overwhelming at first because of how many features it has, and the subscription cost may feel high if you don't qualify for free broker-backed access. They don't have a mobile app yet, so that may limit flexibility for some traders who are always on the go. So after looking at all of this, is Option Alpha the best automated trading platform in 2025? Well, here are for a few reasons. First, it removes human emotion from trading. Second, it gives you institutional level power without needing to code or spend a fortune building systems. And third is the educational side. It's just as strong as the technology. And finally, the broker partnerships make it highly cost effective for serious traders who are already established on these platforms that partnered with Option Alpha. And that's it on the review of Option Alpha. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Traders Post, Tasty Trade, and eOption. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.